Hey guys, today we're making a honey bun cake. It is made with simple ingredients and you're absolutely going to love this one. So take a look at these simple ingredients that we use to create this delicious treat. Now guys, this honey bun cake is semi-homemade. So I have a box of yellow cake mix that I'm going to open up and get into a bowl, and I'm going to take a whisk and I'm going to break up the lumps. And this will prevent me from over mixing my batter. How simple was that? The dry ingredients had been set to the side. Now we're going to go ahead and work on our wet ingredients. I'm going to start by cracking my eggs, and I like to crack my eggs one at a time just in case I run into a bad egg. I'm going to go ahead and add the sour cream, followed by the oil. And that's going to bring a whole lot of moisture to this wonderful, delicious cake. This recipe is so simple. So today I'm just using my hand mixer. And you can very well just mix it by hand. See how quick this is coming together? Now it's time to add in your cake mix. And we're going to mix until everything is well incorporated for about 2 minutes. And just like that, our batter is complete. Now we're going to use a spatula to scrape down the bowl. You want to make sure you get the bottom of that bowl in case you can have some of your product to stick at the bottom. And then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're going to mix that in well, just by hand. And make sure your oven now is preheated at 350 degrees. We're all done. I'm going to clean up a bit, and we are ready now to add some spice and honey to our bun. Guys, we at the home stretch. Now you want to generously spray a 9 by 13 inch baking pan, then evenly distribute the cake batter. Y'all, I am so excited to share this recipe with you all. This is a delicious cake. When I tell you, you would make this again, again, and again. This would be a great brunch cake, just a coffee cake. It is so delicious. It actually tastes like a honey bun. So now it's time to turn this plain cake into a honey bun. So we starting by drizzling our honey right on top of our batter. Next, I'm going to take the brown sugar and I'm going to add my cinnamon in there, and we're going to mix those well together and sprinkle that right on top. To make sure our spices get all mixed in with our cake, we're going to use a butter knife and we're going to make some swirls and twirls, and we're just going to get it all mixed up in there together. Now guys, you can absolutely add nuts to this cake, but I decided not to. We're just going to keep it plain with cinnamon and sugar and the honey. You're going to love this one. Once you finish with your twirls, go ahead and drop this into your preheated 350 degrees oven, and we're going to let this bake 25 to 30 minutes, or until your toothpick comes out clean. So while our cake is baking, we're going to go ahead and make our sugar glaze, because you want to pour this on your cake as soon as it comes out of the oven. We're going to pour this on the hot cake, and we only have 3 ingredients to make the sugar glaze. We have powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla extract. I just put my cake out of the oven. Take a look at it. Isn't it beautiful? So now we're going to go ahead and take our sugar glaze, and we're just going to pour it all over our hot cake. I'm going to take my spatula and I'm going to spread this on my cake so that every bit of this cake can have some of this sugar glaze. I'm also going to lift those sides and let some ooze down to the bottom. And I'm telling you, it's amazing. I'm going to allow my cake about 20 minutes to cool, and then we're going to go in and cut us a piece. My cake cooled for about 30 minutes. And you see how that glaze had started to set up on there? Now we're just going to go in and cut us a piece. Y'all, this cake truly smells like a honey bun. I'm telling you. My cake is not completely cool, but will you take a look at that? Look at that. And don't look at the swirls in there. It is such a moist cake and it smells divine. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. I enjoyed sharing how I make this easy honey bun cake. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Please leave me some comments down below and tell me how much you enjoyed this honey bun cake. Tell me if there's something you would have done differently. Have you made this homemade or have you made it using a box cake mix? Either way, I am sure it is delicious. So guys, I'm going to see you on the next one and you have a beautiful day. Bye.